umaasa kayong makabili ng bahay o ng kotse o makautang, magandang balita po. Consumers may get a break after the Federal Reserve cut interest rates yesterday. The Feds dropped its interest rate from 1% to nearly zero. This lower interest rate can be beneficial to consumers trying to buy homes or cars. Mortgage, car, student loans, and credit card rates are expected to drop within the coming weeks as a result. Commercial banks have already begun cutting their prime lending rates. But analysts warn any economic upturn may still be months away. Sa San Diego, wala nang silbi ang mababang interest rate sa isang Pilipina dahil mawawala na ang kanyang tahanan. Katrina Julian tells us how one Filipino homeowner is dealing with foreclosure and how one group is trying to help others avoid it.
Okay, so Marqueza is a young Filipina trying to live the American dream. But her dream will soon turn into a nightmare. She is one of many Filipinos in her neighborhood that face foreclosure.
What happened was like the rates that we took was adjustable. So when you do that, it has like an increase after like a year or two. And it's no joke, like it's an increase of like $2,000. Wow. And that's, yeah, it's very heavy.
She bought her 6-bedroom, 3-bath home in San Diego just 2 years ago. It was a big home for her and her husband, but their plan was to rent out the extra rooms for help with the mortgage. But it wasn't just the mortgage that got her in trouble, it was property taxes. While the current economic and financial crisis is making life tough for homeowners everywhere, Filipinos affected here in San Diego are trying to stay positive through the holidays and learn from this experience. Mabuhay Alliance is a HUD-approved agency working to keep Filipinos in their homes. This San Diego-based group started out as an economic development organization for Filipinos. Mabuhay Alliance now hosts foreclosure clinics, and they counsel families for little or no cost. Director and housing counselor Daulette Ordinario has more than 30 years of experience working in the real estate industry. She says Filipinos should no longer feel ashamed to ask for help right away before it's too late.
It is okay if you have a problem, then admit you have a problem. And first thing you do is to get professional help. And that is, you cannot get any other more professional help than going to a HUD-approved counseling agency.
You have to provide them, you know, the income of the house and your own income, and they will negotiate from there. We tried that option, but what happens, like me and my husband, our income does not meet, we cannot afford it.
It's too late for Marqueza now to avoid foreclosure. She has to pack up and leave within a month. It won't be easy, but Marqueza says she is keeping her head up. Katrina Joy, ABS-CBN News, San Diego, California.